Alright guys, happy Monday, 6:19. About to weigh in. I don't know if I'm ready for this water challenge, but let's hop on the scale. Starting weight. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is Cabernet. I'm on a weight loss journey, so I am trying different things to jumpstart my weight loss. I'm doing this video with my dear friend Sierra from Just Being Sierra. I'm so glad that Sierra decided to do this 3-day water challenge with me because I don't think that I would be able to do it without her. In the beginning, backstory real quick on my water intake. Let's just say I drink more coffee than I do water. I don't drink soda, I don't drink juice, it's just I have a coffee problem. So if you're like that, let me know in the comments. This is just something that I wanted to try to see if I will be able to be more consistent with drinking my water. So don't forget to check out Sierra from Just Being Sierra. Her link will be down below to see how she does on this 3-day water challenge. I'm not sure if she did 3 days or a week, but just go check her out. Alright, good morning guys. So this is day 1. I also want to eat healthy during this challenge. I just put a piece of butter in there. Broccoli and chicken. Alright, so here's my brown rice that I'll be taking as well. Alright, this morning I'm gonna leave the Red Bull. I'm gonna go for a coffee. And I have to pick up some water. Alright, day 1, let's go get some water. So it's snack time. 10:15. So the snack is the yogurt that I showed you guys this morning with my granola cereal. Water is still at the same spot. I'm gonna fill my water bottle up again. This is my 3rd bottle of water. So it's 5 o'clock. Just finished that water that you just saw me pour at 1 o'clock. So that's not good because now it's 5 o'clock and I still have about this much water left to drink. Here I go at 5 o'clock filling up the bottle yet again. They say using a straw helps you to drink the water much faster. So I only have this much water left and I think I can finish a gallon, y'all. I think I can do it. I'm so excited to finish this off. So I'm gonna give myself an hour because I don't want to chug it. 5, I'll come back at 6 to let you guys know if I have finished this and then pour in the last little bit. I am just meal prepping right now, some shrimp and some garlic. Using the bathroom today. Y'all, I have used the bathroom so many times today, way more than I normally do as a teacher. The kids think that teachers don't even need to use the bathroom at all, which is really weird because I'm like, I'm not superhuman. I'm a normal human being, you know? I have a bladder, you have a bladder, so asking, Miss Cabernet, where are you? Miss Cabernet, why are you going to the bathroom? Y'all, I'm drinking water, so therefore I'm going to the bathroom. So I actually encouraged my kids today to drink more water, and I had to explain to them that teachers can go to the bathroom too. Alright y'all, so here's my seasoned flour for my food. I have some garlic chopped up here I showed you earlier, and I finally deveined and seasoned my shrimp. So what I'll be doing is frying some here with the olive oil.
We can leave and run away someday.
So small changes, guys, and you'll get big results. Do a taste test on camera. Y'all, this is so good. Seasoned to perfection. Here is dinner. I still have, let's see how much water left. I have a lot of water left to drink, but it's gonna get done before 9. Shrimp, brown rice, shrimp and broccoli with carrots and onions. So it is 8:30 and this is all the water I have left to drink. I'm struggling. Tomorrow will be better because I plan on going to the gym. But right now before bed, this is not it. I want to be in bed by 9:30 so I can wake up early. Really hard. I'm already took a shower. The bad thing is, don't eat a lot of food when you're drinking a whole bunch of water because you just feel bloated and I feel like I don't have any more space in my belly to even drink any more water. To you guys in the morning. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys how many steps I've taken for today. My step count for today. But I'm definitely calling it a night after I drink this water. Hey guys, I'll let you know when I finish this. 9:30. I just finished my water. Alright, just finished it. Good morning everyone. So I did not wake up this morning and start my water. I did not go to the gym. I was so tired. So this is the start of water. I'm gonna fill up my cup. And today I'll tally how many times I actually go to the bathroom. But however many times, this is my favorite cup. I do plan on getting another cup. So I might go today to do that. And alright guys, so I'm about to have a coffee. This is not water obviously, but I have this much water left for my first bottle. So then after that I'll refill this, and 2 of these equal a gallon. So 12:30, me not drinking water. I'm gonna finish the night off with my water. Today's step count, 17,438. Bunch of water to go. 9:33 exactly, and I'm not even done. Good morning guys. Adding lemon to the water actually really helps with the flavor and the taste. I can do this today. So today's water will be lemon water, and I think I'm gonna buy a new bottle. I know it's like the last day and it's a little bit too late, but I want to see my water. I want to see through bottle. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna just buy one of those motivational water bottles. Not the huge one, not the big old jug, because I didn't order it on Amazon yet. But I do want a water bottle that I can see through so I can see how much I've been drinking throughout the day. So we went out to eat to this restaurant called Euphoria, and we ate some soba. I had my water bottle with me. I did not drink out of any of those cups at our table, and I actually refilled my water bottle at this restaurant. So if you are out and about and the restaurant gives you like a little jug that you can pour water into cups, you know, I don't think they would mind if you poured the water into your cup because it's just water. It's free. Anyone can drink it. So yeah, guys. Y'all, we just got to the mall because I'm gonna buy that new water bottle because I might continue this challenge for more than just 3 days. But this pee, it's happening. Like I need to go right now. Right now. Me too. I didn't even finish a whole half a gallon yet. Is this a sleeping mask? Who's sleeping like this? Oh wow, a nightcap? For real? Seriously? First time I'm ever seeing scarves sold in Japan. Like silky nightcap scarves. Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this new water bottle. It is BPA free. It's made in China. And so once you fill it up twice, it is 2 liters. Okay, so it comes wrapped up in the plastic, of course. Wait.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the pop.
Okay, so if you fill this up 4 times, 1,785 milliliters. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. I'm about to change out of my robe and put on some clothes so I can show you guys how much I weigh, what the results are, and then I'll talk about it after. Really happy that this 3-day challenge is over. Y'all, okay, jawline coming through. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the scale says. Even if the scale is up, it's okay. It was a great challenge, and it got me to drink more water. So we'll talk all about that good stuff after the weigh-in. You can see that, but it went to 97. Which I'll let you guys know what that is on the screen because I am using a Japanese measuring tape. Before it was 100. So I can hop off with the camera. No show 77.80. Alright, so I started with 77.70. So I'm 77.80. Day 2, I went to 78.10. Day 3, 77.75. So today 77.80. Normally weigh myself every single day anyway. I know that seems crazy, but I already know our weight fluctuates. It goes up and down. So I do like to weigh myself every day. I drank water last night before I went to bed because I was struggling. I was struggling to finish that gallon, y'all. So that is probably why I weigh what I weigh right now. So I definitely will be keeping this up, but I do want to see what my results will be after the channel. I'll give you an update. Y'all, it's the end of the video and now it's time for a recap. I didn't lose anything, so I maintained my weight. I know that, you know, water can make you feel or appear heavier, but I am happy that I was able to lose 1 inch off my belly. Imagine if I did this for 4 weeks. That could be anywhere from 4 to 6 inches off of your waist. So with that being said, I am going to continue on drinking a gallon of water a day. It's a 2-liter bottle if you fill it up twice. Doing this 3-day water challenge really got me into being more consistent with water. So I suggest, like, if you are a person who you realize that you don't drink enough water, I feel like you should try a soft 3-day challenge of drinking water. Most people try it for a week, but I couldn't give myself a week because I felt like I would fail. But now that I've done 3 days consistently, I feel like I can go a month or even 2 months and just make this a lifestyle. My skin has never been that bad. As you can see, I don't really have any blemishes like that on my skin. I honestly can't say that water has helped my skin. I don't know if I appear shinier to you guys or not. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit. That might be from drinking more water. The reason why I don't have issues with my skin is because I don't wear makeup and I usually drink water or coffee. I just drink more coffee than anything. Sometimes is what I feel. So I'll have like 3 8-ounce cups of coffee a day and then maybe 1 or 2 bottles of water. I have been drinking way more water than before, and I'm so happy that I have because water has a lot of great benefits. I'll leave some on the screen. Now that you see and you know some of the benefits of drinking water, let me know in the comments if this is something that you're going to start doing. It made me eat less because I just felt bloated. It was just like I had to force myself to eat, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to drink all this water. So I do believe it does help with weight loss. I just think you have to drink water for a longer period of time to see that. To check out Sierra from Just Being Sierra, her link will be down below in my description box. Peace.
We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay